Hey Weber fans, my name is Steven and I'm here to talk to you today about setting up your Weber Connect Hub. We'll go over what's in the box and how to pair your device to make sure you're ready for your first cook. To get started, please download the app from the iOS or Google Play Store. In the box, you'll find a Weber Connect Hub, an ambient probe to monitor the temperature of your grill, a Weber Meat probe to monitor the doneness of your food, and a charger. Weber recommends charging to 100% before grilling. Once you plug in your device, press down on the device to see your charge. Open up the Weber Connect app to begin pairing and press Pair Device. The Weber Connect Hub will recognize the pairing attempt and you'll need to press down on the device to confirm pairing. Next, enter your home Wi-Fi credentials in order to access the Weber Connect Hub remotely. Now that you've completed pairing, a software update will begin automatically and take approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You'll need to leave your phone next to the device while this is happening, and then you're ready to grill.